Plasba Arabia presents ICF System Insulated Concrete Form System.
E-wall is an insulated concrete form, ICF, with pre-mounted vertical steel bars. This formwork system for reinforced concrete is made with high-density and rigid expanded polystyrene EPS panels that stay in place after concrete casting as a permanent interior and exterior wall insulation system. E-deck is a roof element made of expanded polystyrene, EPS, that are fused with Z-galvanized steel strip reinforcement. This combination allows the panels to become self-supporting and rigid enough to support the loads such as concrete, metal grids, and even workers.
E-wall installation process. Tazana wood layout. E-wall installation. Plasba support system. Concrete casting. Wood layout. A 300 cm by 10 cm by 2 cm Tazana wood is carefully laid out in the perimeter of the building. This serves as the visible guide for the accurate installation of E-wall. E-wall installation. A group of E-wall panels, engineered and carefully calculated by the engineering department of Plasba, is systematically installed as per each panel's coating. The alignment is strictly monitored by the site foreman to ensure its accuracy. Plasba support system. Plasba support system. After installation of E-wall panel, the support system of Plasba will immediately implemented. The Plasba support system is composed of installing a 5 cm thick and 10 cm width of solid wood planks horizontally laid in outside and inside of the E-wall panel. The planks must be from 60 to 70 cm distance gap between each, and tie rods will tie the planks. Then afterwards a shoring jack will be added to support the alignment and rigidness of the E-wall. Concrete casting. A volume of ready-mix concrete will be cast in. To minimize the pressure of the concrete flowing in, a piece of rectangular shape wood is used to take the initial pressure and a lesser pressure when it reaches inside the E-wall. E-deck installation process. Beam scaffolding support system. Scaffolding support installation. E-deck installation. Steel ribs fixing. Electrical and mechanical fixing. Deck concrete casting. Beam scaffolding support system. A specific form is laid out as per structural beam size and dimension. Scaffolding support installation. A support system using the scaffolding shoring jacks and support are properly installed to support the structural beam for later concrete casting. E-deck installation. A high-density foam E-deck slab is laid systematically interconnected with the E-wall and structural beam to form a structure that will serve as the slab of the building. Steel ribs fixing. A series of 8 to 12 mm diameter of reinforcement ribs will be added to each gaps of E-deck slab to ensure the structural requirement of the concrete slab are met. Electrical and mechanical fixing. Before casting the concrete, E-deck are ready-made deck slab built-in with provisions for electrical, mechanical, and plumbing requirements. Deck concrete casting. After the E-deck has been installed together with its reinforcements and mesh, a ready-mixed concrete will be cast into the deck to form a concrete slab. Plastba, ICF system. Mandatory concrete provisions. Number 1, flowable self-compacting concrete. Number 2, gravel size is 3/8. Number 3, using vibrator is prohibited. If you would like to know more about the system and other products and services that Plastba can offer, please visit our website www.plastbaarabia.com.